Join me as we prepare this refreshing cucumber lemonade using key limes and using a blender. Using 8 cups of alkaline water, 0.875 pounds or 14 ounces of fresh cut up cucumbers, whichever blender you have, blend until smooth. Let it catch itself for a minute to allow the foam to separate. I like to remove the foam. You don't have to, but how I'm straining, I prefer to. Don't worry guys, when I get a juicer, I will show you a juicer version of this recipe. Using a bowl, a strainer for support, and a fine mesh cloth, let's now pour the mixture to strain it and then gather the cloth and press down. I like to let some strain on its own first to kind of like get the leftovers to strain. And as we can see, not much pulp is here. Take a look at the juices coming along. We have some key limes here that we're cutting apart and juicing them for our juice. Then we're going to pour it into the strainer to remove pulp and extra seeds, which is 3 ounces. Using agave sweetener, adding in 5 ounces. Remember, this is totally optional and you can use your sweetener preference. Make sure to rake out what's left in the measuring cup. So it is finished and ready to be served. Or you can add ice for a quick cool. And don't forget, always stir or shake before serving for a balanced taste. Garnishing are all optional, so no worries. If you found this video helpful, consider liking or even a share. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our weekly uploads. Website is coming soon where you can book one-on-one cooking classes virtually with me and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.